Hyundai offers the ability to open or close the windows on your vehicle using the Smart Key. This lets you open the windows on a warm day to cool the interior, or close the windows when it looks like rain. To use this feature, it must be enabled in the Settings menu. Go to Setup, then Vehicle, then Door. Turn on the Remote Window Control feature. Now you can open the windows by pressing and holding the Unlock button for more than 3 seconds. The vehicle will unlock and the windows will begin to lower. Pressing the lock button and holding it for more than 3 seconds will lock the vehicle and begin raising the windows. When opening or closing, the window movement will stop as soon as you release the button. As a reminder, when you lower the windows remotely, the vehicle also unlocks. If you want the vehicle to be locked, you can do so with the remote once the windows are open to your preferred position. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at myhyundai.com, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.